All right, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So, particularly. Particularly. Something specific. This is particularly special. Those are particularly calm and peaceful. This drink is particularly sweet and hot. Sweet and hot. Definitely. I am a particular. Well, those are anything. Particularly rare rocks, for example. This rock is particularly rare. It is from the tallest mountain in England. Yeah, definitely. Particularly rare. Yeah, very good. We were particularly careful with these plants. We were especially careful, particularly careful, gentle with these plants. Because they are particularly sensitive to anything, really. They are particularly sensitive to other, well, to light. To light, for example. Yeah. I like being particularly careful with my time. Yes, we have to be careful with time. Yes, I need to be particularly careful with my time so as not to waste it. Quite important, yeah. Yeah. She will have to be more particularly suspicious. More particularly suspicious. Specifically suspicious in situations. Specifically suspicious in situations. Let's write that down. Definitely good. Oh. Specifically suspicious in situations. Whoops. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so these are particularly sweet fruit to eat. These are particularly sweet. Yeah. The raspberries. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use particularly in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.